Anong gagawin natin sa DMZ? What is this? Like, what are you going to do with this? Like, what? How? Like, is this like VR? But, shucks, ang pangit ng control ko. Wait lang. Shucks, ang pangit ng control. Hide button. Slide. Yan. Jump. Yan. Wait lang guys ha. Ayusin lang natin yung controls natin para mas ma-appreciate natin tong DMZ. Tapos ito hide natin tong button na to. Dito lang tayo. Nasaan yung aim? Okay. Pwede na muna yan for now. Ano ba yan?
Take what you can from that
Ba't ganyan?
I'm sure it'll come in handy. Your loadout has its limits, but it does come with an insured
Okay,
slot.
sure. Confirm. Okay, may pera na ako.
Okay, your map is marked with high risk, high reward tasks. Dangerous? Sure. But the payoff could be huge. And to complete one of those tasks.
So, defeat the high value target, eliminate the high value target, and confirm the kill in 25 minutes. Reward is $80,000? Okay. Kaya ko to. Baka dito na ako magaling.
Move in and eliminate them. Target is down.
Bayan, dali.
Earn the kill.
Ano to?
Kill confirmed.
Okay.
Bounty collect.
Okay, kunin mo lahat yan. Saan na tayo next? Bayan. Bakit ayaw mo mapindot? Yan, okay. Okay.
Not the only ones out here. Grab what we need, then let's move. Priority 1.
Ito na.
Extraction.
Fire signals. Ah, so parang mission siya. Saan ako punta? Ayan na yung chopper. Nandito ako! Nandito ako! I'm here! I'm here! Help! Nandito ako! Yan, para makita tayo. Nandito ako!
Shadow 3 has arrived at the extraction.
Okay.
Don't have much time.
Move here. Saan ako?
Shadow 3 to command. All targets and personnel accounted for. Returning to base.
Wala bang TPP nito? What if magpalaglag ako? Guys. Pag ba nagpalaglag ako, matitegi ako?
Good work, soldier. Mission wasn't success. All supplies are
Okay.
intact.
Ngayon na nakapag-training na tayo. Ah, pwede magpalaglag. Okay. Ooh. Ganun pala yun, ah. Hindi ko ma-equip yung mga skin ko dito. Guys. Paano? Ah, iba-iba yung map. FPP lang.